back to Great Day. There are several ways to reach your goal to a more fit body, but even with exercise and diet, you might not get the look you want. If you need a little contouring here and there, welcome cosmetic surgeon Dr. James Kern with Image Enhancement Center. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
All right. This is one of those things, it's kind of a myth that people think if they just exercise that they can take care of maybe that pooch on the body or the belly, but you really can't spot reduce, can you?
You really can. It's easier for a person when they're young. But as we get older, it becomes more and more difficult.
Yeah. All right. And so as you obviously you lose weight all over the body when you're losing that weight. And so you can't just say,
yes,
I'm going to do a crunch and I want it to go away right here. Doesn't do that. All right. So there's different types of ways of doing that. There's losing weight and then there's actually contouring. And contouring is what we're talking about today,
yes,
which can get rid of some of those pockets of fat and things. Okay. So the smart laser lipo versus traditional lipo. Explain that for us.
Okay. Traditional lipo is basically under general anesthesia predominantly, making an incision, sticking in a tube, and just sucking out lumps of fat. Smart lipo, we can do it under basically what they call local anesthesia. We use a laser, the heat from a laser, to kill fat cells and liquefy the fat.
Yeah, because it's kind of that fat cell is really weak.
Yes, yes.
And so it doesn't take much for it to go down.
And in liquefying it, then we can take it out through a much, much smaller opening.
Oh, you would be there all day with me. But anyway, all right. And then that fat is permanently gone, right?
The fat is completely gone. This fat cells do not grow back.
All right. We have Delvon Lawson, who is one of your patients. And Delvon wanted to fit in his clothes better, wanted a sculpted body, lost weight, actually went from 220 pounds to 180 pounds. And now look at Delvon.
He looks good. He looks really good.
Yes, yes. So Delvon, before, could you fit in a suit that was fitted like that?
It just didn't fit as well.
It didn't fit as well there. All right. So we want people who had done everything that you need to do. Obviously, you lost some weight there. And then we think that after you lose the weight, everything's going to be fine. But what was it that you saw even after you lost that much weight?
Well, a lot of when I sat down, I didn't have to unbutton my belt, but everything felt very good when I put my clothes on.
Yeah.
And fit way better.
But you had lost the weight and you just wanted things to be contoured in, and there you are. Are those skinny pants I'm seeing?
Yeah.
So what would you suggest to somebody who is trying to do all the stomach crunches, trying to get it all done? What would you say to them just to go ahead and get this done and be done with it?
Get it done, and then it'll help you motivate you to do more, get into the gym, because that's what I'm working on now, is working on contouring it even more and getting more tone.
Yeah, you just can't stop, can you?
Yeah. A lot of motivation.
Yeah.
You may notice also that Delvon has something that you see not uncommonly in men, a little bit more of a chest than he likes to have. So that's one of the areas where we did the liposuction on to reduce the chest and give him a more masculine look, showing those pectoral muscles.
Tightening up those pecs and stuff like that. Yeah, because you can do the smart lipo just about anywhere, right? On the body?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. You look good. Up next, we have Jesus, and Jesus was overweight, but he wanted a six-pack, and so there you go. He wanted like a more defined six-pack, and so he went to you, and so he was 256 pounds. He lost a total of 73 pounds, and now weighs 183. Jesus, come on out here. Wow. Okay, so the other thing you can do, we start talking about contouring, you can actually like kind of produce more of that six-pack as well, can't you?
Yes, we can. Basically, it's sculpted out of the fat in the body.
All right.
But so he looks good. I have to say, I cannot take credit for his whole appearance. He has worked on it too.
Yeah, from 256, lost 73 pounds.
When we do our job and the patient does their job, then they have phenomenal results.
Yeah. Hey, Susan, a lot of times when people lose a considerable amount of weight, they'll see that they're kind of like, it's just like a little skin left over, and it doesn't give them the definition that they wanted. Is that what you were looking at?
Yes.
All right. And so what was the recovery like for this?
I'm doing combination exercise and it helped me a lot with the smart lipo. It helped me a lot.
Yeah, and generally, what is the once you're done with the smart lipo, you go home that same day, or?
We'll do it. It takes roughly 3.5 hours. They go home, they sleep through the night, wake up the next morning, and of course they're moving around. Very often I'll recommend that the patient have it on a Friday so they can rest up over the weekend, and unless they have a very physical job, they can be back at work Monday morning.
And you were also talking about how people, when you lose a lot of weight, sometimes you have that loose skin that's right there. You said sometimes the skin just basically retracts and then becomes firm.
One of the good things about the smart lipo, producing the heat right underneath the skin, helps contract the collagen in the skin, and in doing so it gives you a jump start on tightening the tummy.
Yeah. All right. You're the medical director at the new location of Ageless Med Spa in Katy.
Yes, yes.
And you have all types of services there.
We have all types of services. Luckily, they have more or less complementary services to what we have at the Image Enhancement Center. So if people desire, if they just absolutely fear having a procedure and they like to have a less aggressive way of losing fat, then they can do it there at the Ageless Med Spa.
Yeah, because sometimes you might need a little less, but sometimes
you might need less,
better.
or you might, like I said, you might be fearful
of
having it. The smart liposuction will take it off in one procedure. The cool sculpting will take it off, but it takes 2 or 3 procedures.
All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Kern.
Thank you.
Image Enhancement Center is offering a free consultation at the Woodway location. You can call today and mention Great Day Houston, and you will receive 20% off the smart lipo procedure. To book an appointment, call 713-77-IMAGE. That works out to be 713-774-6243, 713-774-6243. And for more information, visit smartliposuctionhouston.com. Okay, next time, can you bring that little wand?
Okay.